Hello lovely chicken nuggets, welcome to my channel. A lot have been going on lately. I hope wherever you are safe. But today I'm going to share with you some popular video ideas that will possibly blow up. 1. Skincare routine. What's on your iPhone? People want to know what you have on your iPhone. You can also do a what's on my phone Android edition. Testing TikTok hacks. TikTok is kind of big right now. A video of you trying a hack on the platform is going to gain a lot of attraction. Workout routine. How to start a YouTube channel. These videos do well because every day someone is starting a YouTube channel and they want advice on how to go about it. A day in my life. A video of you giving out video ideas like this one. Your morning routines, night routine, how I edit my thumbnails, how I edit my YouTube videos, my music playlist. You could do a throwback playlist, bake with me, my 2020 faves. You can talk about books and beauty products you like, aesthetic, intro and outro templates, how to be productive, my Netflix recommendations. I'm always watching these because I don't know what to watch, and this give me ideas of what to watch. Room tour / closet tour. A video of you organizing your room. Haul videos do well too. Trying everything in my closet. You can also try on clothes of a family member. Let's say trying on my dad's clothes, my mom or my little sister's clothes, but with permission. Don't be like me. How to videos do well too. How to buy a fidget spinner. How to do anything. Those videos do well.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Letting my Instagram followers control my day.
What type of makeup?
Going 24 hours without your phone. Pulling an all-nighter. These videos are very popular and they do very well. Reaction videos. You can react to old YouTube videos. You can react to old TikToks. You can also react to old pictures. How I edit my Instagram pictures, what I eat in a day, rating your subscribers' outfits, letting your dad or mom rate your outfits. Unboxing videos do well because I watch these videos when I'm planning on getting something new. Reviews also do well too. If you've made it to this point, you are a real chicken nugget. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much for all the support. Love you.